now we should come up with our next main topic, that is methods of HR audit. How audits can be done, which methods can be adopted for doing any HR audit. Now we are having various types of methods, out of which an organization can select any of the method, whichever you feel like convenient and easy to adopt. First one is individual interview method. When we talk about individual interview method, it's basically simply we go for interviewing of each and every employee, we go for interview of each and every person which we feel like that it is connected with our HR department or it contributes to HR. Then second, we can go for group interview method. In this we can conduct an interview in a group. 2-4 people can be called together in a group and they can be interviewed, and the major information which we require for our HR audit can be collected from them. Workshop method, we can arrange or we can conduct a workshop for our employees wherein we can ask various questions which are important for HR audit or which will be giving us information regarding HR audit, and those questions will be forming an important part of our HR audit and will be able to accomplish our objectives and reach to some conclusion. Questionnaire method. Questionnaire can also be designed or a questionnaire can also be framed that can be asked from employees to be filled. That questionnaire will be carrying information or questions regarding to HR department, regarding to HR policies, HR procedures, HR plans, and what all is being implemented or applied by the organization for human resources. And those questions will be such that they will be giving us a comprehensive information, a consolidated information about the HR managers, HR department, because without knowing or without having a complete information, we will be not able to reach to some conclusions, we will be not able to give proper suggestions and recommendations for further improvements, because corrections are very important. Corrections are very important. Whenever you find any kind of deviation and you are only reporting to those deviations but you are not reporting any kind of corrective methods or actions, then it can be a problem. So what we have to do, we have to select a method in which we will be able to get deviations, and at the same time we are also able to suggest some corrective methods. Then observations can also be adopted. Few officials deputed for this work, for this audit, can come and observe the activities of the organization, and on the basis of their observation they can give us feedback. On the basis of that feedback, conclusions can be reached, suggestions and recommendations can also be given. Analysis of secondary data can be, team can simply do one thing also, it can ask for various data available with the organization, available with the HR management, and that particular data should be analyzed and studied in a proper manner, systematic manner, and from that data we can conclude or we can give our feedback or we can go for some suggestions and recommendations. Analysis of reports, records, manuals and other published literature. In this what we do is we go for studying of reports, we go for studying of records, we go for studying of manuals and other published literature which is available with the organization. We can ask for newsletters, we can ask for magazines, we can ask for other published material which an organization publishes within a year. And that material will be helping us to collect information, to collect data regarding the organization.